Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Boeing introduces new predictive maintenance system to boost C17 fleet readiness and reduce downtime. Boeing has introduced a new data-driven maintenance system for the C17A Globemaster III aimed at improving aircraft readiness, reducing unexpected failures and strengthening fleet performance. The new Aircraft Data Reasoner, or ADR, collects onboard aircraft data to provide near real-time monitoring of system and component health. Boeing said the technology is designed to improve maintenance decision-making across the global C-17 fleet. The company said the system gives operators greater visibility into aircraft performance and helps identify potential technical issues before they disrupt missions. Boeing added that the tool is intended to reduce the risk of aircraft failures during deployments away from home bases. According to the company, the ADR Aircraft Data Reasoner expands available aircraft data beyond legacy systems. When combined with supply chain tools, analysis teams can predict failures and position replacement parts where they are most likely to be needed. Boeing said the system supports predictive maintenance by identifying components that show early signs of failure before they break. The company cited fuel probes as one example of parts that can be replaced during scheduled maintenance rather than after a malfunction. The company said this approach can reduce unscheduled maintenance hours and speed up repairs. Boeing added that 10 years of service data show a 2% to 3% increase in aircraft availability when ADR Aircraft Data Reasoner data is used. The data generated by the system is also linked to Boeing's Aircraft Health Scorecard and supply chain forecasting tools. This allows planners to convert aircraft sensor data into demand signals for spare parts management and inventory planning. Boeing engineers developed a new data recorder and analytics platform to support the system. The company said the technology captures parametric data and uses analytical tools to provide diagnostics that enable proactive maintenance. With the Aircraft Data Reasoner, operators gain near real-time insight into component health so we can act before failures occur, said Travis Williams. That predictive visibility not only improves C-17 mission readiness and reduces unscheduled downtime, it also drives smarter parts positioning and sustainment decisions across the fleet, Williams added. The C-17A Globemaster III has logged more than 4.5 million flight hours and remains a key transport platform for the U.S. Air Force and 8 international partner nations. Boeing said the new system is intended to help keep individual aircraft mission-ready for decades. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.